Here I have OnePlus Ace V2, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Talkback feature on this device. Firstly, you should open settings, then go to the additional settings, then go to the accessibility, switch to division, and then go to the Talkback. So here you can enable it, and after the Talkback tutorial starts.
Now disabled. Welcome to Talkback. Welcome to Talkback, page 1 of 5. Talkback is a screen reader intended for situations or people who have difficulty seeing the screen. It gives you spoken feedback so that you can use your device without looking at the screen. You can turn Talkback on or off by holding both volume keys for several seconds. When Talkback is on, Welcome to Talkback, page 1 of 5.
So
Talkback is a
I'm gonna
screen
tell
reader.
you much faster.
Close button.
So Talkback is the
Double
mode
tap to
intended
activate.
mostly for people with blindness or some other vision problems, and it works the way that it speaks out loud items on the screen. So for example, you tap close,
Close button. Double tap to activate.
and it says you that this is the close button. As you can also hear, to activate any of these buttons, you will have to double tap anywhere on the screen like this.
Close tutorial.
So you tap close,
Close.
double tap.
Talkback.
If you want to
Navigate
disable
up button.
Talkback,
Talkback.
select,
On.
double
Turn on
tap,
Talkback.
stop,
Stop.
double tap. And that's how it's done. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.